So if you're facing this problem and struggling to fix this problem, this video is going to help you out to fix the problem. So first of all, to fix the problem, you have to go to your phone menu, scroll down a little bit, and you go to see this app, which is the Messages app. So when you see the Messages app, tap on it for some while, and you're going to see this app info. Tap on it, and you're going to be around this place, and as you can see, Messages, and this is where you are going to be. So the first option, tap on it and toggle it on, which is the allow notification. You have to make sure it's turned on, and as you can see, everything over here is turned on. So go to the back section, then you tap on permission. You have to make sure every permission is allowed over here and not denied. So after that, you go back and tap on the storage and cache. Then you tap on the color cache, which is down below over here. Then tap on back section. Now tap on the force stop and tap on OK. Then after that, you tap on the mobile data and Wi-Fi, and make sure this background data is turned on like this. So after doing this, you have to tap on the back section, and what you have to do next is to make sure you have the latest update of this app. So go to Google Play Store or your App Store, which is this Google Play Store or App Store, to check for the latest updates for this Messenger app or Messages app. Then after that, you try to restart your device in this way by tapping on the power button for some while, and you're going to see these two options, which is the power off and restart. Just try to tap on restart to restart your device, and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in our next video.